In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace hood hinges on a Chevrolet Equinox that are located in the engine bay. Let's get started. Now with our hood open, we are going to want to support it. I'll be using a metal pipe and just placing it on the hood. Now we are going to want to remove our two 13mm nuts holding the hood hinge to the hinge. I'm going to take a rag and put it on the fender of my vehicle. Now I can remove the hood hinge from the hood and slowly place the hood on the fender. This is so we don't damage or scratch the fender in any way. Now I'm going to remove my two 13mm bolts holding the hood hinge to the vehicle body. I'll be using a box end wrench. Here's one. Now for our bolt all the way in the back. And here's the second bolt. Now for our new hood hinge. Just going to slide it into place for now. Now I'm going to snug up my first bolt, then install the second one. Going to lift up on our hood and place our hood hinge in the hood studs. I'm going to hand throw it onto my two 13mm nuts. Now I'm going to remove my secondary hood support. Now I'm going to snug these down. Torque all four of my 13mm fasteners to 16 foot-pounds. Now I can go ahead and remove my rag. Now we're going to go ahead and shut our hood and check the alignment. As you can see, our hood is perfectly flush with the body of the vehicle. And that completes our install. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.